What you got on your feet? Come here, Dandy. Dandy, come here. Come here. Look, you got little feet. You got little socks. You got socks on your feet. What you think? That looks so cute. Dandy, leave it alone. Leave him alone. Now, I wonder if your brother Sheldon can handle that. I think that looks cute on you. You got little socks on. I wonder if I can get the back ones on too. Good girl. Come here, Dandy. There you go. Good girl. You're doing good. You got little feet on. Wouldn't that be neat if you could learn to keep them on? Yes. Dandy, leave him alone. Look at that. Look at her crouching at Froggy. You gotta leave your little socks on. Leave them on. Dandy, leave them on. Oh, you got one off. No. No. Give me that sock. Give me that sock. Now look, now you want it, huh? You're so funny. You got one sock on, one sock off. Look at that. You're so funny. Dandy. Come here, Dandy. Dandy. Dandy, come here. Come here, baby. You're doing so good with your little socks on. You look so cute. You got little socks on. Look at you with them little socks. That is so funny. You're being good. The biggest Olympic Winter Games ever begin Thursday with the debut of 2 new Olympic events. U.S. Skating Stars vie for the first team figure skating gold. I guess I better not push my luck.
First ever Olympic slopestyle event.